Hi, welcome to the Lab Design channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and it is box spanner. Well, this is the dimension for this part. Then, let's make a modeling part now. From the SolidWorks interface, let's start modeling from top plane and click on normal tool. Go to the sketch and click for polygon. Start from this point. Then, click smart dimension. Set this distance for this line, and it is to 32 mm. Click OK. For the next step, click to this line and make it horizontal. Well, let's make offset entities. Set the value to 6 mm. Then OK. For the next step, click to this line. Let's zoom out. Start from anywhere but in the sides. Make it horizontal. Right click and click select. Set the distance for this line to the center. It is 125 mm. Then click OK. Click this line, and I want to make the guideline, make it for construction. Right click and click select. For the next step, click this mirror entities, then mirror about this guideline, then click to this line and make it entities. For the next step, click to this circle, then make it 12 mm for this diameter value. Then click to the circle more and connect to this point. Then click trim entities, then delete this unnecessary line. Make sure this distance for this line it is 24 mm. Then OK. Click OK. For the next step, let's give the thickness by click the extrude boss. Well, for this sketch sides, and I want to make it 6 mm for this thickness. Then OK. Let's make double extrude boss by click this toggle and click to the sketch and click extrude boss. Then select to the sketch and set the value to 20 mm. Ctrl 7 to make it the isometric view. Last, you can change the appearance by click this edit appearance. For the example, I want to change to this color and click OK. Let's make the other color by click this edit appearance, then delete this section, then click to this select face, then select to this surface. For the example, I want to make it to the skull. Then okay. Change to isometric view by combination keyboard at Ctrl 7. Well, this part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. Then see you next time.